If you're looking for a powerful and reliable laptop that delivers performance, speed, and versatility, the HP Victus 15 is definitely worth your attention. This has been highly recommended by many, so make sure to grab yours today through the link in the description below. Powered by the 13th Gen Intel Core i7-13620H, it features 14 cores with turbo speeds up to 4.9 GHz, offering smooth multitasking, lightning-fast processing, and exceptional responsiveness for demanding workloads or entertainment. One of the key strengths of this device is its dedicated NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 graphics card with 8GB GDDR6 RAM. With support for ray tracing and DLSS technology, you get ultra-realistic visuals and enhanced performance whether you're streaming, creating content, or handling graphic-intensive applications. The 15.6-inch Full HD display, with a 144Hz refresh rate and IPS technology, ensures vibrant colors, sharp details, and smooth transitions, perfect for fast-moving visuals without motion blur. When it comes to memory and storage, the Victus 15 stands out. You get an impressive 32GB of DDR5 RAM, which allows you to breeze through multitasking and run high-memory applications without lag. Pair that with a massive 2TB SSD, and you've got blazing fast boot times, file transfers, and more than enough space for all your files, media, and software. The build quality is complemented by an advanced thermal cooling system. Equipped with dual fans and multiple heat pipes, this laptop keeps performance optimized and temperatures low during long sessions of heavy use. You also get robust connectivity with USB Type-A and Type-C ports, HDMI 2.1, an SD card reader, RJ45 Ethernet, and a combo headphone/mic jack. Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3 ensure reliable, high-speed wireless connections wherever you go. Another standout feature is its lifetime licensed software. Windows 11 Pro and Microsoft Office Pro come pre-installed. This gives you access to the latest productivity tools and security features from day one, with no additional subscriptions needed. With a sleek design, backlit keyboard, HD webcam, and Bang & Olufsen dual speakers, the HP Victus 15 is fully equipped to handle work, creativity, and entertainment alike. This has been highly recommended by many, so make sure to grab yours today through the link in the description below.